And now, ladies and gentlemen, in A Bird Amongst the Blossoms, please welcome Jaye Maynard and her Blossom Band.
Have you been floating with your dream, taking turns you have never seen, smiling at a friend, starting back again, thinking about people, tasting the sweetness, living to the full. Thinking about children laughing and singing, taking us to school, taking our own sweet times. I'm glad I met a sweet, loving, real good musician. Oh, from Broadway to our old town hall, I have listened. When I hang around the band, popping my thumbs, digging the drums, squares don't seem to understand why I flex to their tempo in this grand old valley mine. It's Winchester in apple blossoms. Long Daddy Green chops you down to size with slow hellos and fast goodbyes. He comes around when you feel about 10 feet tall to make you feel small, just like nothing at all. What sweet surprise are you? I was immune to the finest persuasion, having become such a total recluse. Nothing could make me even flutter an eyelash. I was just enough too much to hide the emptiness, to lose your I'm shadowing you. There'll be no escape, I'm getting out a tape and video too. Love your smile, John. Love your style, John. Dig your smile, John, as I can. I know that they'll love it. Then I'll introduce them to the Dixie Band Band, and when of it, they're gonna be getting their kicks. Play nice for my pillow. Start me a smoke. Talk to me nice. You gotta wine me and dine me. Don't try and fool me. I like you, you're not. It's a circle that turns round upon itself.